Hello everyone, I'm Tamir and welcome to Taddy Brothers. Today we're discussing our all-new 360-degree surround view system in 3D featuring a DVR. And later in this video, we will discuss today's promotion and an exclusive trade-in opportunity for anyone watching this video. First, let me go over the main features of the 360-degree systems. First of all the cameras include a 1080p resolution. They're in full color with night vision. They also have trigger capabilities, which mean depending on what blinker you use, you will get the 3D view you need in full screen when you need it. Other than that, the system is very easy to install and we give you very easy to follow instructions and diagrams on how to set it up. As for the promotions, if you're buying this system today, we're having a limited offer that gives you an extra 10% off the price you see on the website, which means that if you order it today, you could get a 360-degree system for as low as $950. In addition to that, if you have an old system on your pickup truck, on your RV, any old system you have, black and white color, or even if it doesn't work, we will give you an additional $200 instant credit towards the system that you ordered today. That means that when you call us up or online, you put in the code and you get $200 off in addition to the system. If you need help with that, give us a call. Our team will gladly assist you in putting all that together. Finally, if you're still not sure about buying from us, let me give you a few other benefits. First, anything you buy from Taddy Brothers has a 30-day full money back guarantee. That means if you're not happy for any reason, you send it back and we give you a full refund. Second, all products sold on TadiBrothers.com come with a 1-year warranty. That means that if something goes wrong with it, we got your back, we'll take care of it for you. If you want, we even have extended protection plans, which is our version of AppleCare, but just not as expensive. Finally, if you're still not sure about buying from us, I challenge you to whip on over to Trustpilot.com. Plug in the name Taddy Brothers, and there you will see our hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of 5-star reviews. And those of you that care about reviews know exactly how hard it is to achieve that. Beyond that, if you want to talk to our American-based team, they are always here. You can call us anytime at 866-966-5550 if you want to speak with me. I'm Tamir, I'm always around, and it'll be my honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.